watching the Man Be podcast. And yo, guess what? As we're about to wrap up the show today, we cannot close the show without the main characters of the day. And right next to me, I am honored and blessed to be standing with the Jaziel Brothers. Otherwise, what are you doing today?
No,
I am honored, man. I just said so. I am blessed to be standing. Like, imagine I am in between the two legends. Today is celebrating 20 years in the music industry. 20 years of giving us that heals our soul, giving us nice hits. Otherwise, Budwam, let's get straight into it. From you, Budwam, how do you feel about Turn Up and I'm Trying?
Hey, man, it was amazing. The house was full, and people were singing along throughout from the first song to the last song. You know, we had a good time. Everyone had fun. People, when they were going out, they were singing our songs still. So it was a great evening.
Let's hear your side of the story now.
It's the same. I think we were honored to see everyone sing the song, the verses, the choruses. It shows the 20 years because we started the song as Abudala. We also sang the songs as Inja. So it showed the 20 years of us in the industry. So we're very happy the feeling was very happy. Yeah.
Speaking about 20 years, today we're here celebrating 20 years in the music industry. Like, that should mean like a lot to you. Yeah, well, let's talk about that. Like, how's the feeling knowing that you two have been in the industry for more than 20 years? Because I'm sure like you've been giving us hits, but there's also one question that I want to ask, but let me save that for later. Let's answer this one now.
Okay, no, we are very grateful that we're still alive, we're still doing this. About to cycle another 20 years back, as I said, about later than us 10 years ago, they fall out. So we just want to say and thanking the people for supporting us, for loving our music. People share their stories. The songs healed, you know, people have great memories, like forever memories. So we're very grateful for that, and we still keep going on and on for another 20 years.
For another 20 years? Hey! Looks like I'm getting 50 years up here. There's this one question that I wanted to ask them. How is it possible that in the 20 years, I feel like you have given us 4 albums, if I'm correct, eh?
We have the beginning, we have the journey defined, we have
out of the box.
Exactly, we have 4 albums. I think I just said, how in 20 years we have 4 albums?
It's because we don't just do the albums based on the years. It's about what we want to say at that time, and most of the time it's after 3 years because you can't kill the one that you just did. So you need to. It's like a book. So before you write another book, you can't just write it without having it being inspired. So I think, I was not even aware.
What? That's dope. Okay, to wrap it up now, let's quickly, what message do you have to say to Abalande, the people that have been supporting you for more than 20 years, and one simple message to the event organizers of the show today?
I'd like to say, Abalande, there's a new song called Promise. So they must get it. We are celebrating at the same time. We are saying, let's continue. So we promise to stay around. Let's work together till we get very old. And I'd like to say, the organizers, let's do more.
Hey, Raluz, I hope you're listening. Let's do more, Kuroa. Let's do more. Otherwise, man, as we're wrapping it up, briefly just tell Abalande where can they find you on all social media platforms.
Okay, they can go on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook at Jaziel Brothers, Jaziel, Jaziel at Jaziel Brothers in all the platforms. Promise.
Guys, that was the Jaziel Brothers. With me was as one and only. The music with the tune, not the C. This is the Mad Podcast. We love you so much. We appreciate you. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that every time we drop an episode, you get notified. Thank you. Love you. Thanks for the time.